Good morning, everyone, and a big congratulations to all our graduates. My name is Theo, and I'm so excited to be graduating with all of you today. Today's theme is Dare to Dream Big. I really like that because when I grow up, I want to be a pilot and fly people around the world. This is my big dream. World Family gave me all the tools to build a strong foundation in English, and I enjoy reading all the Disney World of English library of books. And I also had a lot of fun learning and practicing my English by attending the activities at World Family Club. My favorite activity is birthday sing-along show because I love singing the birthday song. We should all thank our parents for their love and support. Without them, we would not be able to complete all the challenges leading up to this graduation and for all the important milestones in our lives. Thank you, World Family, for this wonderful celebration, and congratulations to all our graduates today. Thanks.